Hello students, so now you are watching Torque Institute, Anysol Institute. So this is the final examination for practice purpose 12th class physics question paper. I'll show you questions at the last. I'll show you answers also. Just see the questions firstly and you can take screenshots also. Just take screenshot if I'm fast, or if you have any doubt you can just comment us in the comment box. Will definitely help you in every aspect. You can just pause the video if you want to see for a long time. Sorry, I'm going a little bit fast because if I will go slowly, then video will be too long. It will be boring for you. It is officially recommended by the CBSE, ISC, other boards also. Some of the students belong to PUC. This is for PUC also, and the students watching from other countries like Canada, Australia, New Zealand, America, and then it is very good to see to solve these questions also. They have similar syllabus. Now students, I'll show you the answers also. This is the marking scheme, means answers of that questions you have seen just now. You can just take screenshot. After that you can see all the questions and answers properly. Or if you want PDF file of this question paper, then at the last I'll tell you how to get the PDF file for question and answer separately. If you want to take other videos like chemistry, biology and mathematics also, and other subjects also like computer science also, you can just comment us and the comment box will help you. Our physical branch of Torque Institute, means Anysol Institute, is located at Amritsar city. You can see the marking scheme, how you will get the marks in the final examination. We have important questions list also. We'll give it in the description box. Just go down and watch our description box. You will get many things, and you will get PDF file of this question paper also. Okay, go to the description box, you will get the PDF file of this question paper. Okay, and you can just solve the NCERT examples and questions also. Okay students, this was the final examination practice purpose 12th class physics question paper. Just go in the description box, you can get the PDF file also, and if you have any doubt you can comment us in the comment box. Please subscribe and share this video if you want to help others also, so that you will be helped by God. Thank you.